Our first class V here. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to upload all the GTRAC and GCSS Army certs to a personnel file. You can also do this on the master driver side to upload the 40-hour block certificates, annual check rides, and the memorandum for records. Anything you want to follow that individual. So let me share my screen. So today we're going to be working in ZAMW, Assignment Maintenance Workbench. Right, so we're going to maintain personnel. Now from here, I'm already in here, so we're going to use me for example. Up here on the left hand side, service for objects. Okay, so what you're going to do, you go to create attachment. From here, you can, whatever file you want to upload, you can upload. I'm going to upload my ERP certificate. You get this message, boom, it's loading. But this comes in handy, especially just to keep track of all the certificates for an individual. And if you ever want to view the attachment list, you just click on the same box, go to attachment list, and from here all the attachments are right here. And you can double click and open up the PDF format, and you are good to go. There you go. So that's how you successfully upload your GTRAC and any other GCSS Army certificates you have. Thanks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm working on a bunch more videos.